everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we'll be making this delicious coconut rice. My name is Ogechi. Welcome to my channel. Guys, the meat stock I'll be using for this recipe is chicken thigh and some beef. I transferred them in my pan and then I seasoned with onions and some seasonings and herbs. I added ginger and garlic as well. Guys, I'm going to list all the ingredients I used in the description box. Be sure to check it out. Now I took my time to stir that in properly. I covered the pan and allowed that to boil. Okay, now guys, in another pan I'm going to parboil our rice. This rice has been washed off camera. Cover the pan and allow that to parboil. Guys, let's check on our meat. It has dried with the natural water of it, and I went ahead to add more water. I adjusted my seasonings. I covered and allowed that to boil and come to my desired tenderness. Now guys, in another pan I added some oil because I will be frying my meat. You can grill yours or bake it. I preferred mine fried. So now guys, once my meat got to my desired color, I took it out. In another pan, I sieved out the oil I used for frying the meat because it's going to add some flavor to our rice. I went ahead to add some chopped onions. I sauteed that a little while and then I added ginger, garlic and some pepper. Okay, I sauteed a little bit. Then I added my tomatoes. Guys, I stir fried until this became translucent. I went ahead to add my dried fish. I also added some crayfish. And guys, I sauteed that a little while. Then I went ahead to add my coconut milk and my meat broth. Okay, guys, the coconut milk I used is already canned sealed coconut milk. I don't have strength to go through the stress of milking that coconut at home. So now guys, you want to cover the pot and allow that to simmer down. Okay, once it simmers down, you can taste. If you need to adjust your seasoning, go ahead and adjust your seasoning. Allow it to boil properly, then go ahead to add your parboiled washed rice in that sauce. Okay, and stir properly. Guys, I'd like to say a big thank you to both my old and my new subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you guys for always coming back to support my little channel. I appreciate the love and support that you guys are showing towards my channel. Now guys, once that is properly stirred, you want to cover the pot and allow that cook and soak up all the juice. Once it dries out, you want to taste to see if it has come to your desired tenderness. If it's not, you can go ahead and add more water. Now guys, my own rice is ready. I stirred just to be sure that everything is properly combined, and I added my meat on top of the rice just so the heat from the rice can make that one to become warm again. And then I covered my pan. Guys, our rice is ready. If you have watched this video to this end and you are not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Put on your notification bell so you don't miss out whenever we upload new video. And guys, serve and enjoy. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comment section what you think of this rice. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hope to see you in my next video.